Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your story dropped on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story and I'm going to save it as a dropped. I'm going to click on your story right here and I'm just going to select photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this photo guys, and then before I save it as a draft, I'm going to add music to this story. I'm going to select music and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this arrow, and then here we'll have option. Either we want to discard the edit, save as draft, or keep editing. And this is once you find the draft, I'm going to save it as a draft. Okay, and now the draft has been saved, and then I'm going to click on discard, and then I'm going to show you how we can find the story draft we have just saved, guys. If you want to find the draft, you can go back to your story, or you can also click on this plus icon and then select the story, and then you're going to go to your gallery. Oops, wait. Go to the gallery and then you're going to click on the draft, and then here you will be able to find the story draft you have created. And these story draft will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to access them. And then you can just select the draft you want to post. For example, I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to post it as my Instagram story. So we just need to click on your story, and then the draft will be shared as our Instagram story. You can also edit the draft before you upload it. You can add tag, sticker, or a filter, and it's up to you. And then if you want to delete the draft, you just need to select the draft. Wait, I'm going to show you how we can delete it. Select the draft like this, and then you can click on delete, and the story draft will be deleted from your Instagram. Okay guys, then that's all the way to find a story draft on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.